Hi, so I'm in the kitchen today with my daughter, baby Jay, and we're gonna be making banana bread. We have been cooking things together and she's actually helped me to make this banana bread already. Oh, what? So obviously it's gonna be a little bit challenging with the baby in the kitchen, but I think it's also gonna be fun. And I hope it also helps her love cooking as much as I do when she's my age. Are you ready to make banana bread? Yeah, I think that's a yes. So let's get started. We have a ton of bananas. Last time I made this, the bananas that I used were like totally 100% black. The banana bread was delicious. And we're gonna use these. These are just like regular overripe bananas. We got a lot of them. Yeah, so we're gonna probably be making banana bread for days. Because it's grain-free and it's made with almond flour, coconut flour, and all sorts of other like wholesome ingredients, I feel like it's even healthier, you know? We still did chocolate chips, but it's pretty healthy and I feel good giving it to baby Jay as well. A lot more expensive than your regular banana bread because we're using very premium, expensive ingredients like almond flour, but it's so good. Shall we get started, darling? I need your help. So first off, we're gonna get rid of the sock and we're gonna get rid of the tape. This is not a recipe that I created. I actually found this recipe online. It is so bomb. Look, she's already cooking. Mommy hadn't even got the recipe. She's already got started. Let's do the dry ingredients first, baby. For our dry ingredients, we're gonna be using almond flour mostly. Yeah. Yes, he's wearing a hat. Bob's Red Mill is wearing a hat. So we're gonna do 2 cups of almond flour. Oh my gosh, honey. Oh my God, this is so exciting. Okay, baby, dump it, dump it. Very good, very good. You are a pro. Let's do 1 more cup of that. Okay, sweetheart, here you go. Here's cup number 2. You can dump that one out. Can I help you? Teamwork makes the dream work. Woohoo. Sweetheart, look. Now we're gonna need some arrowroot flour, okay? Yeah, that's a different size. How cool is that? So you're gonna do 1/4 cup of arrowroot flour. Isn't that so exciting? Oh my goodness, this is the most exciting thing that we have done all week, isn't it? Yes, let me roll up your sleeves, sweetie. Good girl. Okay, so darling, you have the almond flour in here and the arrowroot powder. So sweetie, I need you to count 4 tablespoons of flaxseed. I'll do it, okay. 1. Try another. 2. Try another. 3. Try a 4th. 4. Thank you very much, Flax. Hey, you know what? You can actually count up to 3. We're gonna be using 3. Oh my God, I know, it's so exciting. Whoa. We're gonna be using 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar. If you only have regular sugar, brown sugar, that will also work fine. Hey, baby Jay, can we count? Count with mommy. 1, 2, okay, and take 1 more scoop. You do it out here. And then you're gonna dump it in there. 3. Now we need coconut flour, honey bun. I recommend if you're gonna make this, make your own. If you're gonna make it and you wanna save money, make your own almond flour. So you can buy almonds in bulk and just grind them up in your blender. That was 1/4 cup of coconut flour. But the ingredients are really good for you, and you can have this first thing in the morning for breakfast, or you can have it as a dessert, eat even late at night, snack, anything. It's super delicious. Okay, my dear, baking soda. 1 teaspoon, we only have a 1/2 teaspoon. That means we need to do 2 halves. 1, what are you doing? 2, and now we made a whole. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We have a 1/4 teaspoon right here. There we go. Okay, here's the thing. We have both cinnamon and we have cardamom. The recipe only calls for cinnamon, but come on, with banana bread, you need to do cardamom also. So we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of each. And do you like this banana bread too? When she eats it, she calls it toast. There we go. And now we are done with our dry ingredients. Little one, will you whisk it for mama? Can you stir it? Can I help you? Ooh! Good job! Good job! Let's kind of just, ooh, we don't want our ingredients to go out on the counter. That's pretty helpful, thank you very much. And just want to make sure you break up any clumps that are still in there. Boop, 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 boop. Very good. Doesn't this look good, Baby J? So let me put this over here, over on the side. Now we have our mashed and very liquidy banana. We're gonna add some coconut oil, 2 tablespoons. Hey, baby, check it out. Coconut oil, wow, coconut oil. Since it's banana bread and there's a lot of bananas, you actually don't need to add that much oil, which is great for your health. And we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Look at her, she's already moving on to chocolate. Look, she is just like her mama. To be honest though, Baby J has never had chocolate. When I give her this, I just pick the chocolate out and I eat it myself. So we're gonna stir our banana oil and vanilla extract together. So the oven needs to be heated to 350. You should do that at the beginning so it's ready for you, but I forgot. Woo, 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 woo. So, we need to mix our wet and dry. How about, honey, you measure out the chocolate chips? Would you like to do that? Oh, I think that's a yes. I think that's a yes. Wow, perfect, honey. You poured them out perfectly, and wow, it's just like the perfect amount. Thank you. She's really good. Did you do the pecans also? So please, yep, pour them in here. That's another half cup. Okay, you're gonna put them one at a time in there? Great. We're making progress. So as she does that one at a time, very slow and steady, Mommy over here is going to pour the wet into the dry. Good job, baby. Very good job. I see that now you went from like 4 in the cup to only 1 in the cup. That doesn't seem right. Okay, looks good. Almond flour is actually my favorite flour to bake with because it makes everything so moist. Even if you are just adding almond flour to a not gluten-free recipe, for example, my sweet potato chocolate muffins, they have almond flour in them, and that is the secret ingredient. And so whether it's gluten-free or not, almond flour is awesome. Can you dump the chocolate in here for Mama? Yep. Here, I'll move this for you. Can you please help me add it? You dump it, please. Dump it over. There's that girl. Thank you. Can you do the pecans? Not one at a time, please. Good girl. Wow, very good. Ooh, you know what? Let me save a couple pieces of chocolate for the top. I think that'll be really pretty. Another fun thing about using gluten-free flours is you can overmix them, because they're not going to get too overworked. But we are using flaxseed, which thickens, and so does arrowroot. So I do kind of want to get this in the oven as soon as possible. Let's just add our batter into our pan. Look, Jay, look what Mommy's doing. Do you see? We're gonna smooth it down in the pan. Looks good, and it smells amazing. That looks good. We still have another half of a banana. I'm gonna slice the banana and lay it up. It's facing up. Slice. You're busy, I see. Maybe we'll open another banana, huh? We have so many, why not? What's Baby doing? I thought Baby was here to help me, but Baby's got her own projects. Always working on something. Would you like to eat this for dessert? Good. And then we'll sprinkle some more chocolate chips on top, so they make sure that you can see them and they'll melt and they'll look really good. What do you think? Does it look pretty? Looks good, right? Let's show the camera. Looks very nice. And now we're good to stick it in the oven. All right, well, she ate some of the banana off the top of my banana bread. Everything else seemed to have gone really well. Hopefully this banana bread turns out as wonderfully as it did the first time we made it. It's gonna be in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. We're gonna let it cool after that, and then we can eat it. And in the meantime, it is time for me to nurse her, and we'll give it a try once she wakes up from her nap. Okay, see you soon. Okay, Jay. All right, we have our banana bread. Hey, baby, baby, baby. Hey, check it out. Doesn't it look so good? It smells good too. You smell it? Smells good, right? I took it out of the oven long before she woke up from her nap, so it's cool now. Okay, so since it's gluten-free, it breaks easily. I'm going to attempt to transfer it from this guy to a cooling rack just so we can see it better. Actually, you know what? I changed my mind. We're gonna put it on here. Is that a good idea or what? Oh, easy. There you go. This banana bread looks so good. Baby, hey baby. Baby, do you wanna try it? Ooh, what are you thinking about this? Here you go, try that piece. I'll try this piece. Mmm, yummy, right? Do you like it? It's delicious, right? So the first time we made this, I used brown sugar. Today, you know, we use coconut sugar. I actually do think it could be a little bit sweeter. So the next time I make this, I probably will add just 1 more tablespoon. Just 1 more, or maybe not. I don't know, there's chocolate in here. I'm just, you know, I like sweets, as do we all. And to say bye to the camera. She's like, who am I saying bye to? Bye. No one's really there, but people are gonna watch this eventually. And are you leaving? Where are you going? She said bye. I'm leaving. No, don't leave. So this was my first attempt at cooking and filming a video with Miss Baby J. Give it up for our special guest. You did such a good job. Can I have a high five? You gotta put your stuff down. Yeah, girl, 1 more. Yeah, girl, 1 more. Whoa, yes, that is my girl. Hope you guys will give this banana bread a try. And thank you, Baby J, for being here with me today. Make sure you do not eat the chocolate because babies don't eat chocolate. I will put the recipe down below. And when I have time, I will take photos and I will post the recipe. Also, no, not that piece. Take your own piece. Take your own piece. You know what? You know, if I was gonna choose a piece, I would choose that piece. Enjoy. Give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. Hope you love it as much as I do. I still have like 8 more bananas, so I'll probably make this again tomorrow and freeze it. Good idea. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Say bye. Bye. My angel. Bye-bye.